Thank you all very much for being here. I'm Bill Bradford, the president of Flip. We're going to get started with a brief program to officially open this facility. As you go in the back, you may notice a lot of empty space and empty shelves in the warehouse. Currently, there's about 57 million components back there. We expect to have about 200 million parts by the end of the year and close to 1 billion parts by the end of next year.
I'm Jason Murphy. I'm the founder of Flip Electronics. Everybody has been so instrumental in every aspect of where we are today, and whether that's our partners, our suppliers, our customers, but each and every one of our employees. And we're just so happy and grateful. We knew we had something special. When Bill and I started talking about Flip and we opened up this company, we knew we had something special. It was just, how do you get over the hurdles, the mountains of hurdles that we have ahead of us? One of the things that we always recognize is the importance of building a team and building the right team. Again, not just for the sake of hiring people, but every single person in this organization. We want to make sure that they fit the mold from a culture standpoint. This is a family-first environment, and to this day, no matter where we're heading, how big that we get, it's going to stay that way.